Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 29 to January 2025, and we're diving into the latest stories surrounding Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and more. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note, the content shared here does not represent our opinions, but reflects news items circulating in public media. Elon Musk has brought his management style to the federal government just a week into his role in President Trump's administration. Federal employees received an email urging them to resign by February 6th if they are unwilling to return to the office full-time and commit to a culture of excellence. Those who resign are promised pay and benefits until September. This mirrors Musk's earlier approach at Twitter, where he implemented mass layoffs and demanded high-performance standards. Critics, including union leaders, warn that this could lead to chaos in the federal government, disrupting essential services. Additionally, the Office of Management and Budget has frozen all federal grants and loans, aligning with Musk's zero-based budgeting philosophy. This has sparked concerns among employees, with many questioning the assurances of continued pay. The situation reflects Musk's disdain for remote work, which he has previously called morally wrong. Elon Musk's vision for X, formerly Twitter, as an everything app is taking shape with the introduction of X Money. This new financial service aims to replace traditional banking accounts, offering features like peer-to-peer payments and wallet funding through a partnership with Visa. CEO Linda Yaccarino announced that Visa Direct will enable secure and instant transactions. X Money is expected to launch later in 2025, with Musk envisioning it as a comprehensive financial ecosystem that could eliminate the need for traditional banks. The service also plans to support content creators by allowing them to manage payments directly on the platform. With licenses secured in 41 states and registration with FinCEN, X Money is poised to disrupt the fintech space. However, it remains to be seen how users will respond to this ambitious initiative. Tesla has filed a legal complaint against the European Commission over tariffs on electric vehicles imported from China. The EU imposed these tariffs in response to allegations of unfair subsidies provided by the Chinese government to its EV manufacturers. Tesla's Shanghai factory, which exports a significant number of vehicles to Europe, is directly impacted. While Tesla faces a lower tariff rate of 7.8%, competitors could see rates as high as 35.3%. This legal battle highlights the complexities of international trade and politics in the EV market. Elon Musk, who has been critical of the EU, recently appeared at a campaign event for Germany's far-right Alternative for Deutschland party, further fueling tensions. Other automakers, including German and Chinese manufacturers, have also challenged the tariffs, advocating for free trade to maintain market access. Elon Musk's recent tweet claiming that President Trump requested SpaceX to retrieve 2 astronauts from the International Space Station has caused confusion. Musk suggested that astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams were stranded, but NASA has clarified that they are safe and scheduled to return with the Crew 9 mission in April. The astronauts arrived via a Boeing Starliner mission that faced technical issues, but NASA has assured their safe return. Musk's tweet, seen by some as trolling, has raised eyebrows due to its political undertones. While SpaceX could technically bring the astronauts back earlier, doing so would disrupt ISS operations. This situation underscores the challenges faced by NASA and Boeing in ensuring reliable space missions. A coalition of 39 NGOs has urged the European Commission to resist pressure from Elon Musk and Donald Trump to weaken enforcement of the EU's Digital Services Act and Digital Markets Act. These regulations aim to combat disinformation, illegal content, and monopolistic practices. The NGOs warn that pausing enforcement could jeopardize efforts to create a fair digital economy. The letter also highlights concerns about the influence of US tech billionaires on European policy, emphasizing the need for regulatory independence. The European Commission has intensified investigations into companies like X and Meta, scrutinizing their content moderation practices. This reflects broader worries about the impact of unchecked content on democracy and political discourse in Europe. That wraps up today's episode of the Elon Daily News. Thanks for tuning in to explore the latest developments in the world of Elon Musk and his ventures. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us tomorrow for more updates. Until then, stay curious and informed.